Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Rocksbox unboxing. If you don't know what Rocksbox is, it is a jewelry subscription service. I've been subscribed to Rocksbox for about a year now and I absolutely love it. You can get name brand jewelry for the price of I think $21 a month. You get it sent to you and whatever you don't like you can send back. They give you a prepaid envelope and you just send it back. It's super easy to send back. Whatever you do like you do have to purchase though, but it's a great way to try a bunch of different brands of jewelry at an affordable price of $21 a month. And yeah, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get into this Rocksbox unboxing. So I absolutely love Rocksbox. If I haven't made that clear before, I do have a discount code that gets you your first month either free or discounted. I don't remember exactly. It'll be right here and it'll also be in the description. This is I think my 5th Rocksbox that I do on YouTube, but I have been receiving these for about a year now. They don't come every single month because I've been trying to pay off the jewelry that I want to keep and I just don't pay that all at once because it can get pretty pricey, but they are name brand pieces and that's what I love about it. If you are a jewelry fan, I highly recommend Rocksbox. But anyway, let's get into this unboxing. I kind of know what's in here because basically I do reiterate this in every video in case you're new to my channel or you haven't seen a Rocksbox video before, but basically what you do is you pick your favorite pieces from the website that they offer and you add them to your list. You're allowed to make a top 10 list and you put your favorite pieces at the top. Essentially the stylist picks from that and they'll send you that, but you do get a chance to preview your set and swap out pieces for other pieces that they're offering if you're not really satisfied with it. So that's what's amazing about Rocksbox. You can basically get the exact jewelry that you're looking for, and this past time I think I got exactly what I wanted, like my top 3 choices. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. First you get a little pamphlet that tells you exactly what you got in this box, and I already know what I got so I can just go ahead and look at it. But you get a jewelry care little card, avoid contact with water, take jewelry off when showering. This is what the box looks like, so let me go ahead. I always rip this, so it's just the way it is. It is tissue paper anyway. It's gonna go in the garbage like right now, unless I send them back, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna do. So the first thing I see here, and I'm gonna tell you the prices of each, is from Rudiment. So this is the Sonoma Huggy Pack in sterling silver. Oh, it comes with, oh, I didn't even realize that it came with more than one pair. Oh. So what I really wanted these for was for my second hole. Why is this out? I didn't realize that it comes with 2 pairs, so that's kind of nice. Could switch them up a little bit or wear one on the first hole, one on the second hole. I don't know how that would look though. So this is what it looks like. These are really small hoops, and yeah, I really like the small hoop idea for the second hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put them on and see how they look. All right, which one should go in the first hole? Shut up, Aries. It's almost like a cuff, to be honest. I don't know if I like that. Sorry, I'm having a hard time with this. Okay, so this is what they look like on, and I don't know how I feel about them because they look more like cuffs than hoops, but I don't know, I'm kind of digging them. They look really pretty. So what concerns me is that it's not like snapping, and like if I try to push them together, it actually kind of hurts. So I'm not sure if they're supposed to snap in or if they're like okay with, like, I don't know, I'm worried. Rudiment styles are crafted with genuine gold and silver finishes, that's what it says, and they run for $59, which I think is actually really good for 2 pairs of earrings. I don't know. I'm worried that they're gonna fall off and I can't seem to snap it in without it being super painful, so that's kind of a bummer. The next 2 things are from Ava Rose. Let's see which one this one is. Oh, this is the pendant. So this is a long chain pendant in silver. I think this is sterling silver. It doesn't really say much about it, but I like Ava Rose. I've gotten a bunch of stuff from Ava Rose in the past through BOXYCHARM, Rocksbox. I thought it would be adjustable. Well, I guess it is. So it's slightly adjustable. You have like the last bit you could put so you can make it even longer. I like that I could slip it over my head though. I really like the long chain situation, especially for more elegant like blouses and stuff, like blouses you would wear to work. But I wish that I could kind of like adjust it to like here, because I feel like all the way down there is a little too long. But this is what it looks like. Let me give you a close-up of it. I do like the design. I'm all for this kind of like dream catcher design. And this one runs for $42. I'm not sure that for $42 I would keep this. It seems like that's a little steep. I like it. I would wear it. Just, I don't know if it's worth $42, so I might end up returning this one. The last thing is also from Ava Rose, and I believe it matches this perfectly. This is a ring. This is the Carolina, oh yeah, Carolina pendant in silver, Carolina ring in silver, so they are supposed to match. Duh. And I got this a size up so I could wear it on my middle finger, so hopefully it fits. Here's hoping it fits. Beautiful. I love that it matches. I love the ring, but I like the ring more than I like the necklace, to be honest. I'm not a huge necklace wearer. Like, I don't know, if you go through all my videos, you'll see that I don't wear that many necklaces at all. Rings I love, like especially statement rings like this. I like big rings. I'm obsessed with earrings. I've never had small earrings like this, to be honest, and that's why I think I'm gonna keep these if I could figure out why they're not closing, or if they are closed all the way. I'm gonna have to have my husband look. But this is the only thing I'm like sort of iffy on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it because I don't know, it seems a little cheaply made to me. I don't like the chain too much. I like the dangling, and I like that it matches the ring, but I'm not sure. So the grand total of this Rocksbox is $124 because you get a member discount and you get a buy all discount. So I have to think about if I'm gonna go ahead and buy them, but we'll see. So that completes this Rocksbox unboxing. Let me know which one is your favorite, which piece is your favorite. I think mine is between the ring and the earrings. I really do like the earrings. I'm just like a little iffy on the closer, as I've said a million times, but the ring fits perfectly. I love how statement it is. It's beautiful. I like the design, and yeah. Let me know which one your favorite is though, because I'd love to know. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe right here. Watch these 2 videos if you've missed them. Also, go ahead and watch my Rocksbox playlist. I have like, I think 5 videos up at this point of Rocksbox, and yeah, I will once again leave my code in the description, and it was throughout the video. If you want to try out Rocksbox for your first month, I think you get a discount or for free, and you can just go ahead and try it out and get your sorted pieces. Let me know if your style is different than mine. I love seeing what other people's jewelry style is. I just love jewelry so much. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.